Yo, what it do? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs, guys. I'm back with another video, man. You feel me? Guys, let's go ahead and get into it. You feel me? So we don't waste no time. So look, let me go ahead and take my glasses off so I can show you guys better. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix these issues. So I know that if you have dread like me, that they're not really thick, they thin and shit. So you guys have this problem that I'm facing right now. You see how the hair from here is basically breaking right here, and this is like almost 2 inches. So I don't wanna feel me cut that shit off. I don't want to. So I'm gonna find a way, guys, to fix it and show you guys that this is possible. Alright, so guys, let's do it. Let's get it. I believe that I have a hair bang over here. Alright guys, so look, I got my hair up already. I'm about to go ahead and fix this. So this is what I'm gonna use as always. Like I told you guys, I always keep kinky hair with me in my house. So this is the kinky hair that I'm about to use. You see it, kinky hair, human hair. So, and the crochet needle. I got my crochet needle right here. This is 0.5. This is the one that I use, the one that I like, because my hair is not thick. So my dreadlocks, they're not thick. So I have to use a small crochet needle. Alright, so let's get into it, guys. So first of all, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the kinky hair that I have with me. You feel me? I'm gonna make sure that the kinky hair is all the way, you know, like that. This is what I'm doing with the kinky hair. Alright, so now I take my dread. You see what is thinning over here? Like it's about to fall off, and I don't want that smoke. Cause this, like I said, this is almost like 2 inches. And that's my hair, so I don't want to lose that. So I'm gonna take my kinky hair, I got it right here, and I'm gonna wrap it around this area right here where it's thinning. I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna interlock the hair with a crochet needle. So let's wrap it around, you feel me? Nice and clean. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna wrap it around so I can connect this bottom hair with the one that is thinning at the top. So once I got it like that, I take my crochet needle, I got it right here with me, and I'm gonna start slowly interlocking that kinky hair with my dreadlocks to fix that damage. I'm gonna keep going down. You feel me? Like I told you guys, always work your way down and don't use the crochet needle too fast, because you don't want to break your hair. You don't want that smoke, and trust me, you're not gonna like. So you have to take the needle, be patient with this needle in your hand, because like I told you guys, this is not your friend, this is your enemy. So if you don't want to bleed so bad, y'all better be careful. So look, I'm not done yet. I just basically wrap the hair around that part. I'm gonna take some more, cause now I'm gonna tighten it up. What? Like, why am I scratching my back so bad? What the hell? So look, I'm gonna take some more, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Basically, what we are doing is creating that body to connect this part with this one over here. So we need some more kinky hair. You feel me? We're gonna wrap it around a little good. We're gonna leave it like that. And now we're gonna use our crochet needle to tighten it up, to make it look even. Alright, so like I told you guys, I always use my crochet needle facing out. You see what I'm saying? Let me look this way so y'all can see it very, very well. You see? So I'm just tying it up, connecting the little piece with the kinky hair that I use. Right now I'm just tying it up. You feel me? I'm tying it up real good with my crochet needle. Another thing, guys, if you like what you see, if you like what I do, man, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button. Go ahead and share my video everywhere. TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, IG, Facebook, you feel me? Go ahead, man, help me out with that. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. If you got any question, just go ahead and let me know. I'm gonna be answering the question here on the comments and on my social media. So go ahead and check it out, hit me up, and make me happy. You feel me? So that's what I'm doing right now, tying it up. You feel me? So if you think that this video is really fast, go ahead and watch the video that I'm gonna leave right here. You can see it. In that video I explain very well how to use the crochet needle slowly. So yeah, go ahead and watch that video. You feel me? Because right now I'm just tying it up. You see it? Basically making this part match this part and this part, which is the middle. That's what I'm doing right now, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy with my content. Go ahead and share it everywhere. So look, remember that I'm using these two fingers. This is the one that I use in the crochet, basically like to rub the hair like this while I be using the crochet needle. That's what I do, and I hope you do the same way too. Always the needle facing out. 25 locks for everybody. Another thing, guys, if you are in Louisville, Kentucky, and you wanna have this service, hit me up, I got you. If you wanna have a haircut, go ahead and hit me up, I got you. You feel me? I'm working with wigs too, like putting together and all that. So y'all let me know, man. I got you for real, for real, for real. Lose 25 locks for everybody. Y'all let me know how I look. I think I did a pretty nice, good job right there. You see me? Y'all let me know if you like it, if y'all rock with it, because I definitely do like it. Another thing, guys, I almost forgot. Go ahead and follow my sneaker page that I got on IG. The name's right here, Luis got 'em. So right there, I'm basically showing and posting all my shoes. The one that I be grabbing. I just dropped a video today. So y'all go ahead and check it out for real. Y'all go ahead and follow me too. Follow my page, Luis 25 Locs. And go ahead and follow my second page, Luis got 'em. You feel me? Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. And thank you, guys. I love you for real, for real, for real. So look, I'm done with this. Y'all let me know how I did. Love you guys. Thank you for being there. Thank you for watching my video. This is Luis 25 Locs. I love you guys.